In this problem, we are dealing with inscribed and circumscribed circles of a triangle. Both circles have the same center. The center of the circle inscribed in a triangle is the point where the angle bisectors intersect. The center of the circumscribed circle of a triangle is the point where the perpendicular bisectors of the sides intersect. Since both circles have common center, the angle bisectors and the triangle's perpendicular bisectors of the sides are the same. Therefore, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle because the altitude bisects the angle of the vertex and bisects the base. All angles of this triangle are equal to 60 degrees. Let's review the triangle BOD. Angle OBD is equal to 30 degrees because, as we proved earlier, OB is the bisector of angle ABC. Angle ODB is equal to 90 degrees because the radius of a circle is perpendicular to the tangent line through its endpoint on the circle's circumference. The hypotenuse is equal to twice the length of the side across from the 30-degree angle. Therefore, OB is equal to 2 times OD, which is 10. And this is our answer.